Hey guys, here's a tip. In this competitive market we have for buyers and listings, get your offer accepted by having your lender call the listing agent proactively. Here's an example of a HighNote offer. And in this HighNote offer, or any offer for that matter, you're gonna have a loan approval letter. So here's a loan approval letter. But don't just send the loan approval letter in. Have your lender call the listing agent. They'll gladly do it. One, they're helping you. They're providing a service to you as an agent, but they're also introducing themselves to that listing agent. So it's a potential new business for the lender. So again, don't just leave it to chance. Make sure your lender calls the listing agent and explains the finances of the buyer. Go the extra mile for your buyers. This is a great way to do that.
If you want to keep getting tips, hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get a lot out of this.